Hi, my name is Ben, and in this video I'll show you how to create this page with the use of sticky positioning. Start by adding a slideshow and an image. Make sure to disable all options except autoplay. Adjust the slide duration and set the zoom animation to random. Place an image and reduce its opacity. Then apply a start animation to it. Now create a heading and apply a start animation. Duplicate the heading and enter the second part of the text. The only thing will change is the direction. Add the word "of" next to the top heading and animate it as well. Duplicate this word, change it to "the" and change the direction. After everything is positioned correctly, group all the elements together. Overlay a textured image on top of the existing one and lower its opacity to 10%. Include a subtitle and apply a start animation. Place an arrow on each side of the text and give each a different animation direction. Once positioned, group all these elements. Below the image, add text and apply a start animation. Add a heading followed by text below it. Group them together and apply a start animation to it. From here on, the steps will be very similar. We'll continue adding content across the entire page, divided into chapters. Now it's time to build the side menu. Start by creating a brown square and layering a textured image on top of it. Set the opacity of the image to 10%. Use 3 thin lines in a lighter color to separate the boxes into 4. Create a square the same size as the individual boxes and make it transparent. These will act as invisible hitboxes. Next, place the title of the first chapter inside the first box. Apply a hover action to the text. Add a thin, darker line along the left edge of the box. Animate this line using a start animation. Group the hitbox, the text and the left side line together and name it Button 1. And add another start animation to the group. Duplicate this group multiple times for the other boxes and change the text to match the chapters they should refer to. Then group all the other elements of this menu together. This will be the side menu. Place squares in each chapter along the side of the page to act as anchors. Select button 1 from the side menu and assign an on-click action to it. Set it to scroll to element and link it to anchor 1. Repeat this process for the remaining 3 buttons, connecting each to the corresponding chapter where the anchor is placed. Select the side menu and set its position to sticky. Create another square with 20% opacity. This will serve as a border around the side menu. Drag the square below the side menu in the layers panel and set it to sticky as well. And that's how you build this page. Thank you for watching and we'll see you next time.